Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my video. And today's video is papakita ko nga pala kung paano ko itong nagawa. Itong code na to. Or siya po siyang, ang code na to is all about inverted, right triangle po. Yan. So first, nag-start tayo dito sa main. And then sa n. So yung n natin dito is, ayan po yung number ng rows nung triangle natin. Okay? And then, nag-for loop tayo dito. Okay? So, for integer I is equals to n is greater than or equal to 1, and dash dash. So, yan po, naglo-loop. It's all about looping lang po yan. So, nag-i-starts po yan sa 10, and then nag-goes or nagpabaliktad po ang bilang po niyan. Okay? So, first row is magpa-print siya ng 10 asterisk or stars, and then hanggang sa makababa siya dun sa pinakababang row niya is doon po makikita yung or doon po bababa yung asterisk or kung ilan po yun. Okay. So, as you can see, meron po tayong dito, inner loop. So, earlier I discussed the outer loop, and then now I'm going to discuss this for loop. So ito pong inner loop na to is nagpe-print po siya ng stars or asterisk. Okay, so excuse me. So for each row, so it prints exactly 1 stars. Okay, so for each row. Okay, so and then print row number at the end, return 0. So kapag niran po is ganyan po itsura niyan. Here. Ayan po. As you can see, nag-print po yung right triangle natin dito. Okay. Okay, next dito po tayo sa my file parallel.cpp. So itong line of code or itong code na to, file code na to is just like the inverted right triangle. So start with main, nag-initialize tayo dito ng rows or number of lines, and then stars or number of stars per line. So outer loop again, and then this, nag-inner loop ako. So nagtataka kayo bakit wala akong nilagay dito na anything dito sa count or sa print natin. So ito po yung magagawa ng natin ng spaces para mapakita sa output yung parallelogram na shape. So this loop is all about printing stars, and then row label, and then return to end the program. So let's start. Here, as you can see, we have successfully made a parallelogram. So next, excuse me nga pala sa masakit yung boses, ay masakit lalamunan ko. I'm so sorry po kung mahina yung boses ko. So next is inverted triangle. So just like these two, so nag-initialize ulit ako ng rows or exactly rows, and then yung stars, and then ito just like the parallelogram is gumawa ka dito ng loop, outer loop, and then for loop, and then ang piniprint niyan is yung spacing para na makita yung pagkakaganon ng mismong triangle. And then this for printing stars, and then yes, this, and then ito decrease stars each by 2 rows. So as you can notice, inverted siya pababa. So nagba-minus siya ng dalawa dito, left and right, kada baba niya, and then return 0 for end, para mag-end yung program natin. So run ulit natin. Okay, as you can see, yan po 19, Nagbawas ng dalawa, 17. Nagbawas ng dalawa, 15. So on, so forth. So, next, last but not the least, dia.cpp. So just like just like the rest, so gumawa din tayo ng para sa diamond natin. So outer loop, inner loop from printing stars, and then yung mismong for indentation siya. Okay, so this code is for the top half of the diamond. So next is the for the diamond half, outer loop, stars, and then the another stars again, and then the indentation. Okay, return value. So run po natin. Ano pa mangyayari? Here, as you can see, diamond po siya. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like my video po. Okay, for another content. Thank you for watching. Good day everyone.